Hi dear friends in front of the video, I'm Yolanda in CCGrass. This is our managing office behind me. Today I'd like to show you around and let you know how it's an order proceeding and what we can do for you. Let's go! Good morning.
Meet me in the middle of the day, let me hear you say everything's okay. Bring me southern kisses from the room.
Hi, what are you talking about?
We just received some new products from our factory R&D Act. We are checking and will select some to share with our customers.
Anything special?
Look, this one is very blossom and the touch feeling is very soft. Beautiful, right?
Yes.
I don't ask for all that much, I just want someone that cares. That's alright, babe. Meet me in the middle of the day, let me hear you say everything's okay. Come on up beneath the shining sun. Meet me in the middle of the night, let me hear you say.
Hey, Julia, what are you doing?
I'm making an installation design, then our customers will know how to install once they get it. We do different designs based on their different demand.
Okay. The design is just finished. I will send it to you with the PI soon. Okay, bye-bye.
Hi Oliver, you seem so busy.
Hi, Yolanda. Yes, quite busy. I'm going to make the contract for customers' final confirmation.
Hi Mercy,
Hi,
what are you doing?
I am arranging the production to our factory. We need to ensure the timely delivery for our customers.
Our factory will start the production after they get arrangement. Let's also have a look at our factory production process.
Everything's okay. Bring me southern kisses from your room. Meet me in the middle of the night, let me hear you say everything's alright. Let me smell the moon in your perfume. Oh now. Meet me in the middle of the day, let me hear you say everything's okay. Let me see you smiling back at me. Oh now.
After the production finish, the delivery will be continued accordingly, and our logistic department will be also busy.
Is free.
Hi Linda, are you busy?
Yes, I'm booking the shipping space. One customer said our grass is too popular and he has no stock now, so he requests the earliest ship.
Meet me in the middle of the day, let me hear you say everything's okay. Bring me southern kisses from.
Hi Nancy, what are you doing here?
I'm printing documents I will send to our customer later for their smooth customs clearance when goods
Let
arrive.
me smell the moon in your perfume. Got some years we're rising for, there's always something more. Lost in talk, I waste my time, and it's always sad to go further down.
Hi Tommy, what are you doing?
I'm designing the brochure for our customers so he can use it to the marketing promotion.
Hi dear friends, thanks for watching the video. If you want to learn more information, please search CCGrass on the website. Next time, come to CCGrass, I'd like to show you around. I'm Yolanda. See you!